HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus Healthy Recipes. The ultimate handbook of 365 plus healthy 15-minute recipes to help you eat smarter, cook faster, and feel your best, one day at a time. If you want to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen, then HowExpert Guide to 365 plus healthy recipes is your daily companion. With quick, balanced, and delicious meals for every day of the year, this book helps you stay consistent, whether you're cooking for one, feeding a family, or starting fresh. Every recipe is simple, satisfying, and ready in 15 minutes or less. Enjoy a variety of meals that fit your real life, organized by month and week, inspired by seasonal themes, and tagged with dietary icons: vegan, gluten-free, high-protein, and more. From energizing breakfasts and colorful bowls to hearty mains and guilt-free treats, this is your shortcut to smarter eating, simplified. Introduction. Discover how this 365-day recipe system works, how to stay consistent, and how to personalize your healthy eating journey. Chapter 1. January. Fresh starts and amp. Energizing eats. Kick off the year with light meals, winter bowls, and comfort foods made clean. Chapter 2. February. Heart healthy and amp. Feel good foods. Warm up with nutrient-rich soups, roasted veggies, and cozy plant-based dishes. Chapter 3. March. Green plates and amp. Spring flavors. Refresh your plate with seasonal greens, grain bowls, and immunity-boosting bites. Chapter 4. April. Light, bright, and amp. In season. Celebrate spring with colorful salads, lean proteins, and citrusy energy boosters. Chapter 5. May. Fresh herbs and amp. Everyday grilling. Bring flavor to life with herbed dishes, grill-ready recipes, and balanced classics. Chapter 6. June. Summer ready and amp. Picnic-friendly. Think crisp, cool, and convenient. Wraps, smoothies, and no-cook crowd pleasers. Chapter 7. July. Bold flavors and amp. Backyard favorites. Fire up summer meals with barbecue-style bowls, fruit-forward snacks, and zesty sauces. Chapter 8. August. Late summer and amp. Garden fresh. Keep it easy with garden-inspired recipes, hydrating meals, and clever leftovers. Chapter 9. September. Back to routine, better than ever. Reset with school night dinners, prep-friendly lunches, and warm, satisfying snacks. Chapter 10. October. Cozy comforts made healthy. Embrace the season with autumn bowls, lighter casseroles, and cinnamon-spiced treats. Chapter 11. November. Seasonal plates with gratitude. Enjoy Thanksgiving-style flavors without the overload, smart swaps, and festive bites. Chapter 12. December. Simple joys and amp. Holiday wellness. Balance celebration with intention using nutrient-packed meals and wholesome desserts. Conclusion. Reflect on your progress, stay inspired, and keep healthy eating sustainable for life. Appendices. Includes 30 bonus meals, smart substitutions, printable meal planners, shopping guides, and nutrition basics to support your journey. This isn't just another cookbook, it's your daily plan to eat well, live better, and stay on track all year long. Whether you want to simplify meals, break a food rut, or stay energized, this guide offers the structure and inspiration to do it 15 minutes at a time. With over 365 flexible, flavorful recipes, healthy eating becomes doable and sustainable. Let this book support your goals, fit your routine, and become the kitchen companion you rely on again and again. Fuel your body. Simplify your routine. Enjoy real food every day with the HowExpert Guide to 365 plus healthy recipes. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.